Question now is, when will jpow, the chairman, and the rest of the Federal Reserve Open Market Committee start to cut rates again? It's something President Trump says he wants to see. Doug Flynn joins us, Flynn Zito Capital Management. All right, Doug, so I guess coming in, we were thinking no rate cuts, right, until maybe June or so. Anything change? What's the read?
Now it looks like Trump's going to have to wait a little longer for his interest rate cuts that he's demanding it's going to happen. And it really comes down to three things that are sort of holding us back. One is that inflation is still not getting down to the target that they want. And there's still uncertainty around the trade policies. You saw Colombia sort of blink, but maybe another country might not. Right. You have that out there. And you have the effects of the immigration policy not working its way all the way through yet. So,
well, it's kind of interesting. Do you think they're kind of waiting and not kind of sure what Trump's going to do with tariffs? You know, obviously he uses it as a negotiating tool. I mean, he did it with Colombia. But
sure.
So from jpow's perspective, there's no way to really have transparency on that or to know what's coming.
I think it's also more about the modeling. Like, you know, a lot of this is about, let's put in a model of this particular growth rate or this particular interest rate and see what happens. You can't model this. You can't put in, well, you know, there's too many variables and you can't do a set model. So I don't think they can really get behind with assuredness that they want to cut. So they're just saying, hey, let's hang back. Let's get a little bit more evidence. Let's see more of that. I think they made a big mistake setting the 2% target in the first place. Right. I mean, it's 3%. Is the long-term historical rate of inflation anyway. So when you're below that, you're already good.
The way I see it,
so there's all that out there.
Powell should relax. It's not whatever he does. I'm sure Trump will be fine with. He would never be upset with anything. Thank you, Doug.
No,
we'll talk to you again soon. Closing bell time.